Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hide apps on your iPhone. First, let's cover quick methods. You can easily remove an app from your home screen without deleting it entirely. Simply long press the app icon, then select Remove App and choose Remove from Home Screen. This moves the app to your app library, keeping your main screens clutter-free and organized. It's a super fast way to tidy up your device in just a few seconds. To remove an app from your home screen, simply long press its icon until the Options menu appears. Then tap on Remove App. From there, you'll see two choices: Delete App or Remove from Home Screen. Choose Remove from Home Screen. This action moves the app to your app library, keeping it off your main screens but still easily accessible if you need it. It's a great way to declutter. To prevent apps from appearing in search results or Siri suggestions, navigate to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Now, find and select the specific app you want to hide. You'll see several toggles: turn off Show App in Search and Show Content in Search. For even more privacy, also disable Suggest App and Suggest Notifications. This ensures the app won't pop up unexpectedly. For a more robust hiding solution, especially for third-party apps, you can use Screen Time. Go to Settings, then Screen Time, and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, you can go into Allowed Apps to toggle off certain built-in apps. For other apps, use App Limits. Set a 1-minute limit for an app, and once that minute is used, the app icon will be hidden and require a passcode to access. This offers strong control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.